吃饭了吗？太慢면느리어피입니다. Today I'm going to do something a little bit chilling. I'm not going to teach you how to cook. I'm going to share some stories about why I become vegetarian. But before that, I'm going to 7-Eleven in Taiwan because I'm going to get the oat milk bubble tea. It's one of my favorite drink in 7-Eleven. So let's go. Hi, we are back home. So this is the drinks that I shared with you just now. 7-Eleven called it iced brown sugar bubble oat milk. So next time if you get a chance to visit Taiwan, you can stop by 7-Eleven and get this drink. It's really good. It costs 70 Taiwanese dollars. The bubble is very chewy and it goes so well with the oat milk. So why not give it a try? Today I'm going to answer 3 questions. The first one, when did you change your dietary to vegetarian? Second one, why do you become vegetarian? And third one, is there any difficulty after become vegetarian? So the first question is, when did you change your dietary to vegetarian? It was the year when I was preparing for my university entrance exam. It's around 18 years old. The second question will be, why did you become vegetarian? I still clearly remember that was during the weekend. I woke up around 8 to study, but I realized no one is at my house. But I didn't think too much. Instead, I focused on my study. Around 10 a.m. in the morning, my brother and my sister came home and they asked me to get on the car right away. They never mentioned to me where we are heading to, and the atmosphere in the car was really weird and silent. When I saw her in the ICU, I couldn't stop from crying. She couldn't talk because of the intubation. There were bruises everywhere on her skin because the doctors and nurses were trying to grab her body while the epilepsy happened. It turned out that she got SLE. SLE is an autoimmune disease affecting all organ system, leading to inflammation and tissue damage. During that time, doctors said to her that this is the disease that we need to fight for whole our life. It is incurable and medicine is the only way that we can stop SLE from damaging all our organs. After she discharged from the hospital, her health was very vulnerable and weak. My brother tried his best to look for some ways on the internet to reduce her pain. In the end, he found a place teaching people how to do qigong. Why not give it a try? My mom asked herself. So my mom and my brother went there and started learning qigong. After hearing my mom's disease, qigong teacher asked my mom to slowly reduce the amount of meat she took and take more vegetables every day. He suggests this is the way that they could make her feel much more comfortable. So my mom followed and spent nearly 5 hours every day practicing qigong. Magically, her health was getting more and more comfortable and stable. My mom saw the huge differences after she changed her dietary and practiced qigong, so she asked me if I would like to become vegetarian with her. During that time, I was suffering the serious constipation due to the university entrance exam. Even though I drank a lot of water every day, I still couldn't excrete for a whole week. So I happened to have a lot of acne on my face, and my weight changed from 50 kilograms to 60 kilograms. Every day when I saw myself in the mirror, I feel very miserable. Once my mom asked me if I would like to change my dietary, I say yes directly as long as this way could help. So I turned into vegetarian since then. Tofu and vegetables play the main role in my daily meals. You might wonder, does the constipation still exist in my life? I will say no. They disappear. The constipation will only happen when my daily routine suddenly changed. For example, for the first day and second day during my travel. And one of the reasons why that I become vegetarian is that there's a superstition in Taiwan. If you have a wish that you hope it will come true, become vegetarian can help. During that time, my biggest hope is my mom can always be healthy and happy. So I promised myself to become a vegetarian for whole my life. In the beginning, I thought it would be very hard for me, but actually, I do enjoy becoming vegetarian. Especially when the time I visit the new vegetarian restaurant and I taste the food they prepared, it's the simplest happiness for me. So if there's any hope you wish it will come true, maybe you could try this way. If in the end your wish come true, please leave the comment below and let me know. The last question is there any difficulty after you change your dietary to vegetarian? I would say yes, definitely yes. Fried chicken used to be my favorite food. It was a little bit hard for me to quit eating it. There's something funny happened after I become vegetarian. I still clearly remember that was my freshman year. My university is in Kaohsiung and my home is in New Taipei City. We often go home once every 3 months, and the school required us to stay in the school dormitory for the first year of our university. I had 3 lovely roommates. We often ordered pizza and had it in our room during weekend. All my roommates knew that I'm vegetarian, so they were very considerate. They ordered vegetarian pizza for me and fried chicken for themselves. However, every time when the pizza arrived our room, they would politely ask me if I would like to have some fried chicken. So always I had some. After 3 months, when I happily arrived home and saw my family, my brother asked me directly, "Did you have meat in Kaohsiung? I can smell meat from your body." I was really shocked. How is it possible that he can smell meat from my body? Since then, I've had never have any meat anymore. Isn't it unbelievable? But what I share, it's real. It's all real. So these are tiny stories about my vegetarian journey. I sincerely hope you like it. Don't forget to get yourself iced brown sugar bubble oat milk next time when you visit Taiwan. See you next time. Bye bye.